Good afternoon from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in sunny Lauderdale by the Sea. This is Brian Kuzmar for our local update. Just a little picture and what was a live picture of our local beach here next to the pier, which is about 2 minutes from us. So if you ever come and visit us, make sure you stop by the beach. So let's take a look at today's markets here. 1765, about almost exactly the same as what it was yesterday, is what the world spot market's at. New York closed just a couple bucks lower. Kind of funny, I'll show you something in a minute where these two numbers are kind of switched. And look at silver aftermarkets at 1781, up quite a bit from yesterday as well, from where it was, because we took that big dump from 1800 to the 1740s or 1738 to where we are right now, 1781. Swings all over the place, but generally 50-cent maximum swings in silver, 25 cents when they do swing like this. Platinum up a little bit, kind of creeping its way up as well. So that market's up. Looks like New York closed very close to where the world market's open. So we'll probably maintain these prices tomorrow and maybe even a little bit higher. It looks like silver wants to make that move higher at least. Here's the reason I mentioned that. Yesterday we did our little coin toss. I made my guess to say if gold was going to be up or down. And then I did a coin toss, which I'll show you, which my little bear and bull coin, just says for fun, to see what the coin says is going to be up or down. Of course, not what the coin says, but doing a flip like that. And notice this, 1765, 1762, I said it was going to be up. Technically, I think I am correct, and the coin was correct. It did go up. Take a look at yesterday's video. Almost inverse exactly. Today, the world market shows 1765, which, right, am I correct? That's up from yesterday's price, as me and the coin predicted. And you've got down here, 1765.80, which is just the opposite of our other page. Let's take a look here. If you notice, 1765, 1762, complete opposite. Otherwise, I would have me and the coin would have lost or broke even on this one. I'd have to look at the pennies. But according to this, we were both right. Markets are up on the world market and New York market, up from what we said yesterday, and the coin was technically correct, and so am I. However, this was just for fun. Remember, you don't want to toss a coin for your investments. And quite frankly, you basically are, no matter how well educated you think you are and you think you understand these markets. If you're trying to work precious metals daily or minute to minute and trying to be a day trader, that's got to be tough. I've been in this business my whole life, and I don't even think I would attempt to do that. Now, medium long term, I think it's a no-brainer. We're in a continuing bull market here, so you can buy at these levels, even if it drops back, 10%. Well, I doubt gold's going to drop back 10%, but 5% or whatever. Silver could, 5 or 10%. I wouldn't worry about it. Just keep buying more. We're in a bull market, folks. I think we're going to see beyond $2,000. So, here, and I'll just kind of show you where the coin, where is it? There we go. There's my coin toss from yesterday, and as I said, there's the bull. So the bull and I did predict an update today, and it is up very little. So this is the last time I'm going to be taking a guess myself. I'll let the coin do the rest of the work. This was interesting. I saw this why gold will hit a record high in the second half of 2020. And it's not so much, there's so many bulls out there. It's kind of who is saying it. Author by Eddie Vander Walt, macro commentator at Bloomberg. So here you've got the macro commentator at Bloomberg saying that he believes that gold is going to hit a record high in 2020. What does that mean? Well, that means above 1950. And I think, and actually, let's see, he says $2,000 right here. So interesting little article if you want to read it. It's on Zero Hedge. Some people hate Zero Hedge. Some people love Zero Hedge. Take it for what it is. There is some decent stuff out there to read, and kind of stay in the middle when you read it. But it looks like even the macro commentator at Bloomberg is saying he's looking at $2,000 gold coming up this year. And I kind of think he's right, and I think he's probably underdoing it, quite frankly. Look at the Wall Street Journal today. Not much going on. Looks like the Dow's up a little bit. It's kind of been gyrating in that range here. And where is that range? 25 and change for the Dow. I'm not sure how important that is for precious metals right now. They're just going to keep printing money. And as long as they keep printing money, the Dow is probably going to kind of stay where it's at until it doesn't, obviously. And precious metals are going to continue to go up. And the reason I like to look at Wall Street Journal as well on every day with you is because sometimes there's black swans in here, events that can cause the price of gold to go up dramatically if you take a look and you read into them. As far as the headlines today, I don't see much here. Reopenings, jobless claims. Of course, we know that already. Minnesota police officers. So really, I look on here just to what I think might be black swans that could help us determine how far or big jumps in gold in the immediate short term. And I think that's really it for today. Let's take a look back here at the spot prices. I'm going to flip the coin. I got to figure one of these. What are we going to use? We're going to use world spot prices are 24. So let's use the closing market price with the coin. 1762.10. Let's see what the coin says here. Are we in a up or down? Is it going to be up or down tomorrow from 1762.10 on the New York close? Well, my coin is very bullish. It's saying that it's going to be up tomorrow from 1762.10. That's not me saying it. I'm going to avoid these little daily short-term predictions because I'm going to make myself look like an idiot if I don't. And I don't mind making the coin look like an idiot, so there you go. Anyways, this is Brian Kuzmar from Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. There's our phone number, 954-493-8811. Call us anytime between 10 a.m. 4 p.m. Mondays through Fridays. We know what we're doing. Been doing this a long time. Same location since 1995. And I've been doing this since I was a little wee kid since 1977. So again, feel free to give us a call anytime. We're more than happy to give you information or get you in here so we can give you the information. It's a little hard to do on the phone sometimes. So give us a call, like I said, 10 to 4 Mondays through Fridays in lovely Lauderdale by the Sea. And make sure you visit the beach when you come down here. Thanks, and have a great day.